Let's begin. We're going to start with problem of the day. We're going to have 15 minutes. Let's see if we can do it in that time. I believe we can. Ready? All right, let's read. Problem of the day.
Ray is making a mural on the wall outside of his house. The wall is shown below. What is the area of Ray's wall?
Now, what is the first thing that we need to do in order to find the area of Ray's wall? Okay, so what do we need to annotate for the problem of the day? What is the area of the Ray's wall, and what is that?
BQ.
And what does BQ mean?
Big question.
Big question. So, what is the area of Ray's wall? When we're finding the area, who can tell me what is area? Give it to me, Mr. Martin. Loud and proud, please.
The length times the width.
The length times the width. Now, what type of shape is this? Let me see who remembers.
Is it rectilinear?
Yes, it is most definitely a rectilinear. Now, when we have a rectilinear, what do we need to do to a rectilinear shape? All right, in the back. Mr. Aiden.
Find the missing part.
We have to do something before we find the missing
Oh!
links. I'm going to get you some help. Give it to me. We're going to have to decompose the shape. So, how are we going to decompose this rectilinear? Give it to me, Angelina.
Cutting it.
Uh-huh. And how are we going to cut it?
Down.
So you're saying we're going to go straight down? Is that the best way to cut it?
No.
I'm just asking.
Square.
Say it again.
Square.
It's square. So, Ms. Angelina said that we're going to take it and we're going to take it and cut it horizontally. Did I say that correctly?
Yeah.
Yes.
You sure we didn't need to go vertically?
Yeah.
All right, so now once we cut our shape, what do we need to do next?
Put one right.
We need to number our shapes, right? All right, so we have shape number 1, shape number 2. Okay, so we have shape number 1, shape number 2. What do we do next once we number our shapes? Now, let me see if you remember. Yes, sir, Mr. Aiden?
You find the missing part.
We need to find our missing links, okay? So, how do we do that? I forgot. How do we do that?
9, subtract 3.
Oh, okay, so you're saying we look at the vertical line here, okay? And we look at the vertical line here. We need to find this one, missing length. And you said we look at the 9 feet,
Yes.
and what else?
And the 3 feet.
And the 3 feet, and what do I do in order to find this length? I'm going to have to subtract. And I'm subtracting what?
9 feet minus 3 feet.
Minus 3 feet. If you agree, show me, please. So 9 feet minus 3 feet gonna give me a total of what?
6 feet.
6 feet. And I need to put it here on this side right here with this font showing my missing link, correct?
Yes.
Is that the only side that's missing?
No.
Okay. What is the other link that is missing? Angelina.
The top.
Okay, so we have our length times our width, correct?
Yes.
So now that we found our length, now we need to find our what?
Width.
Our width. Now, we have this line that we drew to cut or divide or decompose our rectilinear shapes, correct?
Yes.
So, if I'm looking at this square here, and we're looking for the width, right? So we have our width, which is a total of what?
6 feet.
Talk loud and proud, please.
6 feet.
It's 6 feet. But we need to find this line right here. But what have we been given?
4.
feet. So if I took this 4 feet and I dropped it down where this line here is 4 feet, will that give me my question mark here? My missing link?
Yes.
What do I need to do in order to do that? All right, Mr.
4 feet.
Isaac.
6 feet subtracted by 4 feet.
So we take our 6 feet here with this, which is our total width, and we subtract what's been given here, which is our 4 feet, and we're gonna get a difference of what, Mr.
2
Isaac?
feet.
So, 6 feet minus 4 feet gonna give us what, Mr. Isaac?
2 feet.
2 feet. All right, now that we have all of our missing links, can we find now our total area?
Yes.
Yes.
Show me, please. Come on, guys. I need you talking to me this morning. Yes. So, our first one, where our number 1 is, I'm going to put it right here. And what is our area for our first square?
Is it 9 feet?
We're looking here. Remember when we watched Charlie? Remember?
4 feet
All right.
times 3 feet.
Our 4 feet. If you agree, show me, please. You disagree, show me. No disagreeers? All right, good job. So 4 feet times 3 feet gives me a total of what?
12 feet.
12 feet what?
12 square feet.
12 square feet. Are we finished?
No.
Now we need to do which one?
2.
We need to do our next shape. All right, and what is our area for that?
6 feet times 6 feet.
6 feet times 6 feet is equal to what?
36 square feet.
36 square feet. Are we finished?
No.
I was just checking. All right, no, we're not finished, because what was our question? We go back to our question to make sure that if we've answered it. Have we found the area for a raised wall?
No.
Oh, we haven't found the area. We found part of it. Now we need to find the total area of raised wall. But what do we need to do to find the total? Give it to me, Aliana.
Add 36 plus 12.
Gives us a sum of,
Gives us a sum of 48
who agrees?
feet.
Show me,
Square
please.
feet.
All right, 48 square feet. Did someone come up with something different? All right, good. Now, we're going to try one more. Then I'm going to let you loose. All right, so with our next one, everybody, let's read. Find the area of the shape below using the strategy that makes the most sense. Now, they said that makes the most sense, and meaning which way can we find our area quickly? Now, there are different ways that we can cut it up. We can cut it vertically, we can cut it horizontally. But we want to cut it the best way so we can quickly multiply our area, find our areas, combine them, and then find our total. All right, Mr. Rashad, how are we going to cut it?
You need to cut the horizontal so you can have 2 separate rectangles.
Now, you said horizontally. Am I cutting it horizontally or am I cutting it vertically?
Horizontally.
Just checking. All right, you know I'm just checking. All right, Mr. Rashad. And then what do we do next?
Find our missing
What do we do next? Give it to me.
We number our shape.
Thank you. You got the number, guys. Now, I have a question. Mr. Rashad was saying we have to find the missing links. Do we have to?
No. Yes. Yes. No. Yes.
But you have that fits very,
Wait a minute, time out. Time out. Now, Rashad said, I heard some no's and I heard some yeses. Let's look at this. What are we looking for?
The quickest strategy to find the area.
Say it again.
The quickest strategy to find the area.
The quickest strategy to find the area. Now, but what is area?
100.
Now look at the shape. Do we not have a length? Do we not have a width?
Yes.
Okay, so if we have that already, do we have to find the missing links?
No.
We kind of wasting time. We don't want to waste time. We want to do it quick. All right, when they've given it to us, we don't have to do any more work. It's when they haven't given it and we are not quite sure what we need to do that we need to find the missing link. But if it's already there, we can just multiply and be done with it and then it's over. So, for our number one shape, what is our equation?
4 centimeters times 7 centimeters.
Now, what if we said 7 centimeters times 4 centimeters? Would it make a difference?
No.
Why not?
Because
it's community
Show of hand,
property.
please. Yes, Mr. Rashad.
It's because it's community property.
Because it's community property. And what does community property say? Give it to me, Aiden.
It says that even if you switch the numbers, it's still the same answer.
You still gonna come up with the same product. Okay? So that's why. That's why when I heard 7 centimeters times 4 centimeters, it didn't throw me. Either way you write the equation, you're still gonna come up with the same product. So 4 centimeters times 7 centimeters gonna give us a total of what?
28 square centimeters.
Square.
28 what?
Square centimeters.
28 square centimeters. Number 2, what's our equation?
4 centimeters times 9 centimeters equals 36 square centimeters.
It equals to 36 centimeters squared. All right, so a square centimeter. Now, what do we do next?
Add.
Quickly.